In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect PU Prime to MT4. Now, the first thing you have to do, you want to go to your dashboard inside PU Prime, and here you want to go to the Accounts tab and then create either a demo or a live account to actually use on MT4. So I'm going to go ahead, do this with a demo account, click on Open Account, top right, switch to Demo, and I'm going to select MT4 as the platform and press Switch. There we go. And then here I can choose my account type, the currency, my leverage, the account balance. You can do this however you want. Press submit, and then your account will be created. There we go. And it's going to basically send you an email automatically, inside which you'll receive your login credentials for MT4. Okay, so just open up your email. Within just a few seconds, you should have your new credentials to sign into MT4. Now for me here, let me just refresh this so we can see that it's working. There we go. It's still in the creation process, so usually takes like a few seconds and then it's done. And whenever you do that, go to the very left here where it says downloads. Click on the downloads tab, and then you will have to click on here where it says MT4, so MetaTrader 4, and then you have to basically download MT4 for your platform. Okay, so for me it's Windows. I'm going to click on Windows, and it's going to download MT4 onto my Windows computer. Now here you can just click to actually open this up, and then you will be able to see your installation window here. There we go. And then you can click on next and then wait for a few seconds for this to actually install. So usually it takes like 10 seconds or so. And when that's done, you'll see a finish button down here at the very bottom. Okay, so within just a few seconds, this should be done over here as well. There we go. And then you can click on the finish button. Okay, and when you do this, it's going to open up MT4 inside here, inside your computer. So if I wait, there we go, I can open it up. Okay, and for the first time you do this, it's going to run a few scans here. So just wait for these scans to go through, and then you can just click on this X button, and it's going to open up this PU Prime MT4 terminal. And this is very, very important. Now, whenever you actually see this, just go ahead and go to your email where you received your login credentials. Type in your login, which is going to be a number. Type in your password, which is also going to be inside your email, and then just the server as well. So the server should be one of these over here. It's going to be listed inside your email. Click on the one that's relevant, and then you can save your account info if you want to, and then click on login, and that's pretty much it. You'll be logged in to your account over here on MT4 with PU Prime. So that's how to do it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.